Welcome to our latest YouTube tutorial, where we will be diving into the exciting world of the ADS1115, an analog to digital converter that is perfect for your next electronic project. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, this versatile device offers impressive capabilities for monitoring and converting analog signals to digital data. In this introductory article, we will cover the basics of the ADS1115, its key features, and some practical applications to help you get started on your YouTube journey. We will learn how you can use this ADC module with Arduino board and measure ADC value and voltages. Then, using the same ADS1115 module, we can expand the pin of ESP8266 module and measure analog voltage. Since ESP32 ADC voltage is inaccurate, we will make it more accurate by employing ADS1115 with ESP32. Finally, we will also take a look at the ADS1115 module with Raspberry Pi Pico. So, let's dive deep and learn more about this product. This video is sponsored by NextPCB and HQ Online. The HQ Online is a one-stop electronic component sourcing platform. HQ Online provides a complete set of electronic component business services. All you need to do is search the electronic component with a part number. As it has a fastest search engine, it will show you the list of all available parts. Add the part to your cart, then place the order. To get started, check the link in the description. The ADS1115 is a 16-bit precision low-power ADC designed by Texas Instruments. It is capable of converting analog voltage inputs into digital data with high accuracy, making it ideal for a variety of applications such as sensor data processing, battery management systems, and data acquisitions. The ADS1115 communicates with microcontroller like Arduino or Raspberry Pi via the 𝗣𝗍𝗄𝗃 protocol, simplifying integration into your project. Let's see some of the key features of this IC. 16-bit resolution. The ADS1115 offers high resolution and accuracy, allowing you to measure even the smallest voltage changes. With a built-in PGA, the ADS1115 can amplify low-level signals for improved precision and sensitivity. Data rate or sampling rate is best as it is programmable from 8 samples per second to 860 samples per second. Input voltage range is plus minus 6.144 volt, which is selectable via the programmable gain amplifier. The ADS1115 has 4 input channels, enabling it to measure up to 4 different analog signals simultaneously. 𝗣𝗍𝗄𝗃 address is selectable between 0x4A to 0x4B using the address pin. The ADS1115 consumes very little power, making it suitable for battery-powered or energy-efficient projects. The power consumption is typically around 150 microampere in continuous conversion mode and 0.5 microampere in power down mode. The operating voltage range VDD is 2.0 volt to 5.5 volt. These specifications make the ADS1115 a powerful and flexible ADC, suitable for various projects where high resolution, multiple input channels, and low power consumption are required. Now, let's move to the practical part. Let us interface this module with Arduino and see how we can get the analog voltages value. Arduino boards come with a built-in 10-bit ADC that has a somewhat limited capability. This means the smallest voltage that Arduino can measure is 4.9 mV, whereas the smallest voltage that ADS1115 can measure is 76 microvolt. The wiring diagram for interfacing ADS1115 ADC module with Arduino is very simple. We just need to connect its 𝗣𝗍𝗄𝗃 pin to the Arduino. The VCC pin is supplied with 5 volt. As an analog input, we are using this potentiometer, which should be fed to A0 pin of ADS1115. You may connect 4 analog sensors or 4 potentiometer to output of ADS1115. To visualize the voltage, I am using a 16x2 𝗍𝗲𝗀 LCD display. Moving to the coding part, you will find so many libraries for ADS1115 in Library Manager. Out of all the available libraries, we can try using one of the stable libraries for our application. The library is from 𝗣𝗿𝗫. You can download the library from the GitHub link as well. Using the basic example code from the ADS1115 example folder, we can test the working of the sensor. The library has the functionality to set the 𝗍𝗲𝗀 clock speed, set programmable gain, operational mode and data rate. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor. The serial monitor will show the ADC value for all 4 outputs along with the output voltage. Similarly, the LCD will also show the ADC value and measured voltage. You may rotate the potentiometer to vary the input voltages. The maximum ADC output voltage from the module is 4.742 volt in LCD display, which when tested with multimeter gives a reading of 4.72 volt. Even the ADC is capable of measuring the lowest voltages. Similarly, we can also expand the analog pin of ESP8266 using the same ADS1115 module. The ESP8266 10-bit ADC offers limited resolution and input voltage range. The ADC also has potential noise, non-linearity and slow sampling ratio. The ESP8266 wiring diagram for interfacing the ADS1115 ADC module is simple and straightforward. We also need to connect the 𝗍𝗲𝗀 pins. Again, we are using 2 potentiometers to vary input voltages of A0 and A1. The LCD is again used for displaying voltage. For interfacing ESP8266, we will use the library from Adafruit. Using the basic example code from Adafruit ADS1115 example folder, we can test the working of the sensor with Node MCU ESP8266. We are using 2 potentiometers to input ADC voltage and display both of them on LCD display. The voltage shown on LCD and multimeter is almost similar. You may vary the input-output voltage and test the lower-higher voltage. Now, let's see the usage of ADS1115 with ESP32. The ESP32 has a built-in 12-bit ADC which provides higher resolution than the 10-bit ADC found on Arduino boards. The smallest voltage the ESP32 can measure is 0.8 mV. However, due to internal noise and non-linear characteristic, the effective resolution is typically around 10 to 11 bits. This makes ESP32 ADC unsuitable for many applications. To deal with this, ADS1115 is best option. Connect the ADS1115 𝗍𝗲𝗀 pins to 𝗍𝗲𝗀 pin of ESP32. Again, we are using the 2 potentiometers for input and LCD for voltage display. We are again using the same Adafruit library. From the example folder, we can upload the basic example code. Upon uploading the code, the module becomes prepared for testing. A multimeter will be required for this purpose. The LCD will display the ADC value and measured voltage. The minimum voltage it can show is 0 volt and the maximum is 3.3 volt, which is highly precise. From the measurements, we can conclude that ADS1115 16-bit ADC module has good accuracy and can be used for multi-purpose applications. In the final test, we can write a microPython code and test the working of ADS1115 with Raspberry Pi Pico. In this test, we observe the voltage and ADC value precise as well. Though Raspberry Pi Pico has multiple ADC, you may use ADS1115 to get more ADC values. According to other tests, the device has stated typical accuracy of 0.01%, but it has a maximum accuracy of 0.15%. This accuracy includes all sources of error, such as voltage reference, gain error, offset, and noise. That is all from the video.